What is going on, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Welcome back to an all new episode back down here at the Mississippi River, and we're gonna chase some bass today. So doing a solo mission. It's really getting cold here. It's 34 degrees right now. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. It's like 9:45. I wasn't moving very fast this morning. I didn't get up and rolling like I should have because it was so cold outside. I'm just like, yeah. But anyways, sun shining now. I'm actually warm right now, even though it's only 34 degrees. So we're going to go see what we can do. So probably the same kind of tackle you seen in the last bass fishing episode. Be throwing a spinnerbait, lipless crankbait, jerkbait, and I might get like a swim bait out and try that. Something different. And then maybe do some flipping in this one pond. We'll see. Stay tuned. Donkey hunting starts right now. All right, folks, let's do it. 48.7 degree water temp. I was here just shy of a week ago and it was 51. So just cooled down a little bit. I got today and tomorrow to fish, and then the skeeter is getting put away. Try the old lipless. There's one. Is that all it took? Switch to a lipless? Yeah, buddy. Not a big one, but keeper size. All right, bud. There we go. Little one. Cookie cutter, about the same size as the last one. He was kind of up over the other side of the point. On the flat. Something little. Little bass. Little bass. There's one. Spinnerbait. Oh, did I lose him? I lost him. That felt like a good fish too. Ooh. Dang it. That was a good one. A lot of weight there. There we go. There's one on the jerk stick. All right, small ones today. Had one big bite on a spinnerbait. There we go. It's like something is biting it, but it didn't really feel like it. I think it's time to move. Keep catching these guys. You're real cute and all, but no need for you to bite yet. Is that a fish? That's a fish. Holy cow. Another hog. Come on, we're the big guys. We're the big girls. There we go. It's about time. I was like, I got hit like 4 times in there. Spinnerbait. Little bass. There he is. Another bass sitting on the wood looking to eat a spinnerbait. Man, I'm catching straight frickin' hogs today. Look at the size of this. Bloop. There he is. That one don't feel too bad. Might be the biggest one yet. Got a runner. Pretty small. Felt good though, I'll tell you that. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Not humongous, but smallmouth. Pretty good smallie. Yeah. Too shabby. Thanks for playing, bud. he is. I'm getting him fired up now, finally. Still little guys. I mean, he'd keep. He's got a good gut on him, but a little fish. This wind is awful. How about that dip in?
That was great. We have 47-degree water. It's actually a lot warmer than I thought it was going to be.
47.
Should be chomp.
Getting her dead. We're about to get her dead, Brian. What are you starting with? Oh. That's what I was going to start with too. Hooked up? Woo! Got him. Yep. There's one. Yeah, little guy, I think. Kind of stunned him. It's okay. Give me 3 seconds and I'll put you back. There we go. Jerking stick, hooked up. Ooh, ooh. Where you going, buddy? You're running. Get away from that trolling motor, bud. What do we got here? Oh, it's a nice bass. Well, decent bass. I got a 10-pound line. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yes, sir. Whoo! Bigger than I thought he was. Straight chunk. Alright, bud. Thanks for playing. Oh, there you go. Big mama. Yep. Small one. Man, these fish are cold. Cooling down. Kapoom. Got one.
Got one?
Yeah. Little bitty, but. Hey, hey. It's a fish. Got him. And that's a wrap, folks. So what you just watched there was 2 different trips, obviously. I went out by myself, did that little solo mission, and I didn't catch a whole lot of fish. So me and Brian went out a couple days later and kind of had the same situation. We didn't catch a lot. Did catch that one good one, though. That made it worth it. Catching a big one on a jerkbait is always pretty fun. But yeah, right now I'm in Junior's truck. Got the I-Class, Skeeter I-Class back there. Me and Junior are going out on a little adventure, so stay tuned for this video not too far in the future. Junior's being a hypocrite this morning. We decided to meet at the boat ramp. We decided to meet at a parking lot at 9 o'clock, and last night was daylight savings time, and he forgot to set his clock back. So he's in the parking lot at what he thought was 9:05, 9:06, 9:07. Calling me saying that I was late, and in fact he was just early because he forgot to set his clock back. Stupid head. Hey there. Anyways, folks, if you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bell so you're notified every time we put out a video. Clobber that thumbs up. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat
To hunt.
fish.
Same difference.